Hello everyone, just wanted to make a super quick video showing you exactly how I made $1,370 on just one pair of Harry Styles tickets. So, Ticket Flipping Hub, the program, gave us a stub alert for Harry Styles. If you don't know what a stub alert is yet, it's basically an alert telling us exactly which events will be profitable. In this case, it was for Harry Styles. And I went ahead and bought the tickets here. As you can see, Section Orchestra 4, Row XX, seats 411 to 412, total of $241.40 to be exact. I bought these on Ticketmaster. I went ahead and listed them on StubHub, and as you can see, they sold. Here it is. They sold for each $8.95, giving me a total there of $17.90, and then minus a fee. Total payout was $16.11. So the difference between the what I bought and the total payment, that is $13.70 if you do the math. So that was pretty much the entire process of exactly how I made $13.70 on just one pair of tickets. There's going to be much more alerts coming out in the future. This was just one alert. As you can see, you can build this up into a very nice, reliable, predictable part-time or full-time income. We have many people doing both. This was just one sale. You can imagine the potential if you were to do many. So click the link down below if you want to learn more and check it out. Thank you and take care. Bye-bye.